Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your skin in Minecraft Java Edition. So it's really simple, and for this what you'll need to do is head into the Minecraft Java Edition launcher, and I'll catch you guys over there. And now that you're here, what you need to do is make sure that you have already downloaded your skin. So you have downloaded it and kept it in your download folder. And then after you do that, what you need to do, so now that you're in the Java Edition launcher, is go ahead and click on skins. Alright, so skins tab over here, and so it's going to load up, take a bit of time. And then what you need to do, alright, so your current skin is going to be right over here, and then Steven, Alex as well. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on new skin, and then you can name the skin whatever you want. I recommend you name it something that you like. And then once you do that, what you need to do is select player model slim or classic. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on browse. And once you click on browse, basically it's going to open up your downloads. All right, it's going to open up your downloads and show you all the images that are there in downloads. And you need to choose the image of the skin that you have downloaded. So for me it is all right, so it's all the way down. It is Steve from planetminecraft.com. I mean, Steve, in a sense, it's my skin itself, as you guys can see. And basically you need to just go ahead and select that image once you click on browse, and you should see it over here. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on save and use, or just save. That's totally up to you. For this, I'm just going to click on cancel since I already have this. I can use this, or if you want, you can also use your old skin. If you, after some time, if you feel like you do not want your new skin, you can just go ahead and click on use, and it's going to apply your new skin. And as you guys can see, so currently I have the Bear Grylls skin, and now I can change back to my normal skin. And this is basically how you change your skin in Minecraft Java Edition. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.